In the beginning, there was a spark.
There was a spark. I do not shine. I listen to the light like seasons slowly drifting to the light, an echo of time, like seasons slowly drifting, an echo of time.
I speak in silence, yet faces turn toward me and eyes reflect wonder. And in that gaze, everything waits
And in
again.
that gaze, everything